Hello and welcome to another Brews and Bricks 2-Bag Tuesday, where we randomly pick and build 2 separate polybags. This week we are pulling... Alright, from the bag I have the race car and the McLaren Elva. Both of those look like a lot of fun. So we're going to go ahead and do those as a quick speed build both together and then just give them a quick review afterwards. Not a full click score like I might give a regular set, but they're still worth giving some words for. But with all of that said, let's get started. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the speed build of these 2 little polybags. Now, as they are just polybags, I'm not giving them a full click score review like I might give a full size set, but they are still worth talking about, so let's do that real quick now. Alright, the race car was released in 2023. There are 39 pieces, 1 minifig, and a retail was $5.99. The Elva was released in 2021, has 86 pieces, 0 minifigs, and a retail of $3.99. Overall, these are both really nice. The Elva looks the part. It looks like the full-size Lego model, which looks like the full-size car. Well done, just on a much, much smaller scale. The race car is just a fun little race car. It looks more like a go-kart more than an Indy car like it's trying to emulate, but it's still neat. You still get a fun little minifigure. It's still a good buy at $6. Alright, I don't really have anything else to say about these. They're polybags. They're not intricate, they're not detailed, but they're usually a good time to get and put together anyway, so I'm happy to share that here. And if you could, share your thoughts on these or just polybags in general. What do you think? And if you could, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, as I would be appreciative of any and all of those. But thanks again, and take care.